Click the wand release button and lift the wand free. Step on the clean path selector to move it to the down position. Moving the pedal down changes the mode from floor to wand mode. The display confirms wand mode and the unit switches to wet mode automatically. Pull the trigger to spray the solution as you clean. The wand works in 2 lengths, short for more control, or extend for extra reach. The bare wand can also be used on its own for narrow gaps and corners. Choose your tool based on the job. The stain scrubber tool tackles stubborn messes, above-floor details, and fits into narrow spaces, while the detailer mop tool handles mopping under furniture, in edges and corners, and even tile walls. To swap tools, hold the unit upright to avoid drips, detach the current tool, and push the new one in until it clicks. When finished, reinsert the wand and return the clean path selector to the up position. After wand cleaning, run a speed wash cycle to flush the wand and hose and any tools used. Empty the dirty water tank first. Liquid should be poured down the sink and solid debris into a bin. Next, fill the speed wash cup with water. For a deeper clean, use 6 parts water to 1 part Shark Hydro Concentrated Cleaning Solution. With the clean path selector in the down position and the unit powered on, submerge the end of the wand or tool. Suction pulls water through, flushing residual dirt into the dirty water tank. The unit can also be placed on the dock and a self-rinse cycle can be run. Be sure to empty the dirty water tank and clean solution tank after each use. For more tips, refer to our maintenance video for full cleaning instructions.